something out. So the guy who actually, the engineer who made my wiring harness to make my VR swap has never driven my car. Yeah, I think it's about time that he finally got to experience my version. His harness has been fantastic. Honestly, running like OEM. There's only one thing that kicks the check engine light, but it's mostly my fault. So I'm gonna let him drive my car finally. It's long overdue, and to be honest, he's such a cool like friend of mine that I gotta let him do it. And if you guys don't know, Tropical Shirt Fridays, baby. Tropical vibes only, dude. Where's your tropical shirt at?
Behind, I gotta buy one.
Where's your tropical shirt?
I gotta buy one. I'll buy one. Next Friday.
You guys say that every Friday. Blaine actually picked up a dope G. Thing is tight. Even got the Brembos, bro. Like he's out here. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we can do some like drifty stuff for your car eventually.
Oh yeah.
All right. I know this Challenger ain't trying to out rev us, dog. I know it ain't trying to happen right now. What's up, Challenger? What happened? Well, if you guys don't know, he's not. Whoa, what?
You got fingerprint on your lens.
Well, you got fingerprint on your face. So I'm gonna give Kyle the keys.
Sorry.
So you are.
Kyle.
Yeah. Well, yeah. You're. Yeah. Enjoy that power steering, dude. Oof! Dang, Kyle.
Dude.
It means it's overheating.
Really?
Yeah, the car's been sitting, so don't worry about it. It'll drive. See, now we're back to normal.
Feels great.
Feels good?
Yeah. I approve. Oh, Kyle, I approve his message.
This guy has no plate. Bet that car was stolen.
Got a light on this thing?
I need a light bar?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What's up with your fifth gear? Sorry.
Oh, no, it's because...
On your video.
No, I mean...
No, the plate shifting, right?
Oh, yeah, I need to adjust it. I still haven't done that.
Pretty good.
Yay. Kyle approved.
I do.
Not gonna lie, when you don't have a seatbelt on the other side, bricks were shot, dude. Oh my. Good.
It's really usable power too.
Yeah, it feels like it's good.
And
Like
cruising around, it's just a little throttle here, a little throttle there. That's like nothing.
power to brakes.
I don't know.
A little squishy.
How tight are you holding the camera? Find out. Oh, you got
Son of a bitch. Every time.
You have a harness. That heel toe's a little different too. The downshifts are. I really don't know where we are. It's weird this way.
You really have no idea where we are right now?
We'll find out. The intakes sound good too.
Yeah, it sounds really good. It's that Kyle fab.
Oh yeah, I did that. Cruising in fifth is just like.
It's just weird because you gotta stretch it out.
But that's like the second you're on the throttle, it's like, oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. I like how traction control still tries. That's pretty good. What's this thing make?
467 on the dyno. On the street, it's probably most likely a little more because it's boosted by gear. It has no idea what gear it's in.
Oh.
Last thing I expected was a Cobra to slow us down.
What gear does it say it's in if you look?
What? Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't know what gear it's in.
Oh. Poor
Yeah.
little guy.
Huh?
Poor little guy.
I know.
It's so
Is that something that we can fix, or is it just kind of as like, you know, crap out of luck?
Probably crap out of luck.
Like, you know, we wouldn't be able to do it.
Probably not.
Whatever.
Probably not right now.
All right, whatever. It's not. I'm not worried about that.
The gear likely comes from the transmission control module over CAN bus.
So
we don't have that.
okay. So this is a good base, right, to start with my build, like for road course.
Yeah, heat. You're just gonna fight the heat.
Certified to eat.
No, you've got to fight the heat.
Oh, okay. I was like, I think it said certified to eat.
That's a healthy third gear.
Yeah, you gotta get used to that bit.
I know. Why don't we just adjust that plate real quick?
Okay.
No, it feels great. Thanks, man.
No, of course, dude.
I'm happy
No,
to-
thank
yeah.
you, man, for driving it. This is fun. I knew you would have a blast, though.
Well, I wanted to see too because I've driven the VR car. I've driven, you know, the test mule for this swap, and I've seen how that is. So
Now you get to see how it is on a personal
It's
car.
nice.
Hey, look, I mean, temps are still under control, man. Seriously, yeah, look. Thank you, EcuTek, thank you. Now we gotta expose my hoodness, because Kyle over here yeeted my freaking hood clip thing, so, well, the hood release, so now we gotta use some grip, so it's all good.
Kyle versus plastic.
So 1 out of 10, how would you rate this thing right now? Like if I was to take it on track, and you were to drive it?
You gotta get it right. You gotta prep it a little bit first.
No, I know, but...
I don't know. I don't like doing that.
no, solid, no, I'm
don't
saying
know.
like solid base, like...
I don't know. I didn't really get into it in the corners much around the street. I was like 6, 7.
Okay, hey.
You got, you know, get some pads, tires, suspension, and shift at 6. And you don't have to worry about cooling as much.
Oh, you were shifting at 6 the whole time?
I tried to, yeah.
What did you end up shifting at?
I don't know.
Oh.
I wasn't looking. I mean, I just saw it get like right around here, and I'd be like, all right, that's probably about time to shift.
Ah, okay, shoot. Hey, look, man, I'm still happy because Kyle's awesome. Dude, riding with Kyle is scary, and it's awesome. But yeah, like I said, Kyle was the one that did my wiring harness for me. Without him, literally this thing would not have started. So he came into a hot mess. First, he's laughing because he knows it's true. But yeah, so whatever. Button back up. I'm gonna be on my way, give Blaine a ride and everything. But if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit the like button because the YouTube algorithm is really favoring it right now, and it just helps me get out there. But also just making it clear that this car, its intention is and still will be to build it for road course, like exactly what Kyle is doing. It's the kind of the abuse that I want to do to this car, but on track. So I'm gonna, you know, in time, that's why I've been kind of slow stepping on what I'm gonna do, because I still am doing rear diffuser and everything, but I'm literally trying to just kind of map out how I'm gonna build this car before I just start throwing parts at it, because I don't ball hard. I'm trying to make sure the stuff that I buy once is what I need, you know, not forever, but you know, for a good period of time. Damn, bro, these floors are down. I'm working with Kyle a lot. I'm working with my other coworker Cody, because he's the yellow S2000 from Sorted. His car is clearly like sorted, and yeah, we're gonna build this thing and do it right the first time. So having Kyle drive it was awesome. But yeah, gonna give Blaine a ride. I know how to go straight very well. I can do that, and maybe take it around these twisties. I don't know. The little, oh yeah, I think I said it. You're doing the drifty boy stuff, right? And we got road course man.
It's gonna be on the road course soon.
I hope so.
You guys put that there.
In the drift car.
Change tires.
Yup. Are you ready? Round 2?
No.
Come on, jump in, bro. What's this? I'm just going straight.
It's different. It's different feels.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
That's push you back in your seat.
Where are we going?
Mexico. It gets everybody. You just everybody looks for a seatbelt, but you all right? You feel safe?
Oh yeah, it's fine.
You feel good? You
The
sure?
window's too small for me to just fly out.
Just hold on to the oak shit handle,
Oh,
and
yeah,
you'll be
yeah,
fine.
we'll be okay.
Okay. All right, dude. Blaine, you got this, man. Stop being so scared. You'll be all right. It's just.
I'm not scared. I know you're not gonna drive like he just drove.
Oh no, yeah, facts. My car's a lot
This
slower.
will just be fast. No,
Oh, look,
it's
Evo. Nice. Woo. There was somebody up here.
Couldn't remember how far it was. There's like a dude on a lawnmower blocking up traffic up there. God,
It's all right. It does its thing.
it does its thing, and it makes cool noises.
It makes boosty noises. told you it's a fun car.
Not bad.
It's a fun car, dude. Everybody should VR swap. And look, temps under control. Nothing crazy. Mind you, I was short, but would you VR swap the G?
I VR swap a G.
See, man, I like you, Blaine.
It'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, gotta let this thing cool down a little bit just to play it safe, but no problem. Oh yeah, see, AC line, not even connected. So it just, turning on AC, pretty stupid. Bye, Blaine. Yeah, it's time to head out. That G's so nice. I'm gonna, that helps. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said earlier before, please hit that like button because YouTube is favoring likes. It's nothing new, but just help me get out there more by hitting that button. Subscribe if you like the content. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one.